These two counts, the sentence of 3 years in respect of each will go concurrently. That the duality of the sentence therefore means that for the kidnapping charges, you are to serve 3 years in custody.
Ngethubu Judge Ratha Mogwatlenge wisisigwebo uthe esisibini sisebenzise gwenxa amagunya aso njengamapolisa kwaye senze amatyala nobuzaza. Emva kochitha iminyaka esondele kwiminyaka emithandathu, usapho luka Ramogibe lude lwafumana ubulungisa.
Okuningi esingakusho ukuthi nje isentence iphume siyabonga ngoba umama ukhona namhlanje azokhona ukuzizwela naye. Hopefully ukuthi from today sizawuthola iclosure kule nto eyenzakele.
Ukanti amagqwetha abatyholwa afake isicelo sokubhena ngakwesisigwebo. Igqwetha lokaMdluli lixelele inkundla ukuba ingqina lenkundla elingu-Alice Manana wengumhlobo wenkosikazi kaMdluli lutshaba lukaRichard Mdluli.
Alice is a son enemy of my client. My client was married to the late Buthelezi. Alice was a friend to the late Sidi, and by necessary implication or extension, a family to the family of Mdluli and Buthelezi. She would visit them where they were staying. But look how treacherously she behaves. She literally goes and sells them out. She accompanies Alice to get her married to the late Ramogibe.
Ukanti igqwetha likaMthembeni Mthunzi lithe inkundla khange inike ingqwalasela imeko ezizimeleyo zomtyholwa.
This court has overemphasized the egregiousness of the crimes that have been committed and underplayed the personal circumstances, even though in a passing down sentence it has traversed them thoroughly.
Kodwa inkundla ifunanga nokuziva ezizathu.
They vehemently attacked the evidence of Alice Manana. Now, my learned colleagues highlighted certain contradictions, and my learned colleague for accused number 1 specifically concentrated on the attempted murder docket and what Alice Manana stated there.
Ijaji echophele lityala isikhabile isicelo sokubhena.
I've come to the conclusion that on these facts which I have found the accused before court guilty, and in the manner I sentence them, no other court can come to a different conclusion.
Emva kokuwiswa kwesisigwebo, uRichard Mdluli uxelele intatheli ukuba akazokunikezela kweli dabi.
I know that my lawyer will start working on it as from tomorrow, and then we will also try to apply for a bail in the meantime, pending the appeal, because here it was refused. Then we'll do that, and then we'll take it from there.
Ukanti amagqwetha esisibini athi aza kufaka isicelo sebail kungekudala.